Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that if you want to speak English language, if you want to improve your English language, then I think you should discuss in English language on daily basis. You can discuss the daily routines, whatever you did in the past, you can discuss on that your daily routine activities and you can give a lecture on those activities. In this way you will improve your English language. Because I was busy in these days. I was delivering some health related cards of governments because you know that government has launched their programs to give the health facilities to all citizens of the countries in some provinces, and where the people are provided the health cards, and we have to go directly to villages to deliver those cards. We have to fill their details online and then submit. In this way they can get the facility of more than 8 lakh or 10 lakh rupees health facilities whenever they become the ill. But I have seen little problems there in that card, that that card is only used when you will get admitted in the hospital. Without getting admission in the hospital, that card is not usable. And you have seen that there are most of the people, those have petty morbidities, petty illness, those are under the 5,000 rupees, and they are not suitable for that card. So mostly people, I think that 95% people do not get the serious illness or serious problems, those make them to get admission in the hospital. But I think that there is the government is clever in this sense, because they know that only 5% people will use this card, and 95% people will not use this card because they will not get ill during the period of 1 year or 2 years, and then the amount that is in that card will be refunded to the government. So I think that if such kind of facilities are provided by the government, that facilities should be for all things, all illness. If someone gets a fever or any other kind of illness, that is the expenses, that's illness expenses are below the 5,000 rupees, then that card should be used. But for petty diseases, that card is not usable. So I think that in some way it is good, but in most of the way it is not good for those people who are poor, because mostly poor people get small diseases, and they need a small amount to pay their doctors. Even they don't have the small amount for the cureness of their diseases. So I think that that card should be usable for all kind of diseases. Those diseases may be the big diseases or small diseases, no matter. In this sense, I was worried about, and I have also made a video in my Urdu language on my next channel, that is in Urdu language, and I discussed on this, that why this is that only this card is usable when you will get admission in the hospital, and if your disease is not admittable in the hospital, then you will not use that card. I think that it is not good sign. The good sign is that if you are providing the facility of a health card to your citizens, then that card should be used in all cases. Otherwise, I think that there are so many people, those have this card, but useless, because only some people, those get serious diseases and go to the hospital for admission, they can use this card. I think that if in your country, you can also give your suggestions below in comment box, that in if your country government is providing any kind of facility, which kind of facility, if the facility is good for you or bad for the citizens. Because sometimes we see in publicity, in newspaper, on televisions, that government is providing so many facilities, government is doing lot of things, but when you go deep into those details, then you will find that there are so many complications in that facility, such as I have told you, I have showed you in about the health card which I am delivering. Because this card is delivered by different kind of NGOs, and I had my some friends, those asked me that you please provide some cards to your dear ones in your surrounding areas, to give them the facility, because mostly people don't have money to go here and there for the card. So we are providing this card to the people on their doorsteps, and in this way, free of cost, we are not getting any kind of benefit from them, but we are delivering that card free of cost. I am discussing this because in these days I am doing this kind of work. So as I told you, that if you want to improve your English language, if you want to speak English language fluently, then you will have to do your practice on daily basis. You can make videos, random videos, just for you. Don't upload them on YouTube or any other platform if you feel that your video will not be good. So make that video just to improve yourself, to improve your skills of English language. In this way, whatever, I think that you should make a video at the evening time. When you will make a video at evening time, then you will be able to discuss all the things of your day, from morning to evening, whatever you have done, which friends you met, which kind of food or breakfast you did, and what did you in your eaten in your lunch, any other things, where you have gone, in which area you have gone. You can discuss about that area, the specific things of that area. In this way, you will improve your English language, and I think you will get the new sentences, the new things, because on daily basis you will face the new kind of the things. You will face the new problems. You will get the new happiness. Then you can discuss those things, and those things might be the different. You will come to know the different words. If you don't know the English of any word, you can search before making any kind of video on Google or through dictionary. In this way, I think this is the good method, that you make videos, or if you don't want to make the videos, you can only discuss in your own words the whole day. When you will discuss the whole day, that when you get up in the morning, and after getting up, what did you do, then I think then in this way you will make your English more better after some months. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, so that you never miss my other videos. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.